Good freaking morning! So today is Sunday, don't know the date. We are going to be installing my new charge pipe with the blow-off valve with Angel today. And I haven't been vlogging lately because there's been some things happening. I had surgery for my appendix. It was just painful and very uncomfortable. Now we are back with the vlogs, the Baloney vlogs, Baloney TV. Actually, it's 9 o'clock in the morning. Go meet up with Angel and go get tools and then start working on the car right away. So if you guys want to know how to install a blow-off valve on a 335i, this is the video for you. So hope you guys enjoy. Drop a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment down below if you like it or not. Then it'll help me out a lot making more videos like this, and it'll keep me motivated for sure. Alright, see you guys soon.
This is the meal I get for watching it, because college broke kids don't got money. I'm out here living life $1 at a time. Oh, look who we have here, Ugly Kid Brian.
Oh, you got it? Thanks.
To ensure his tools come back.
Alright, so we just came out of O'Reilly. We got a couple tools. We got the Allens, the Torx, and some picks that we're gonna need for this install.
Alright, so this is before the blow-off valve.
No whooshy, no use.
No.
Nope.
You gotta change that.
Really? Really? Look at this shit.
They don't want us to mod.
Exhaust cam.
Dude, they called you
position
retarded.
timing. Well, looks like I'm gonna be running for a check engine light for a good while. I know you're very excited, Angel.
I want to see how it looks.
Let's open up the hood.
I mean, you were at my house when you were like ordering this, right? Was it?
No, I think I ordered it like at 3 in the morning.
You went back on it.
No, I ordered the wrong one.
I didn't really pay attention how it looked, that's why.
We'll leave these here. Dude, we're gonna have to let the engine cool down. I just remembered.
Yeah.
Alright, so fuck it, just put it up there.
It's installed.
Yeah, time to close the hood.
Yep. What would you do without me, Tony?
I don't know.
Alright, let's go. Let's go race.
Alright, let's go.
Dude.
Hell yeah,
Hell
boy!
yeah.
Yeah, we got a blow-off valve now.
Yeah. Woo, that's totally what this sound makes.
Yeah.
Woo.
Is it recording?
Yep.
Oh, I didn't hear the beep. Alright, so this little gasket goes in here, and then the blow-off valve goes on top. Oh man. And then this snap ring plier,
Yeah.
the snap ring, goes onto this somehow.
If you have the correct tools.
Yeah, if I had the correct tools. You put it over it. You basically stretch it out and then put it over it. And then once it's over it, you set this motherfucker in there. And then you grab the snap ring pliers and then you close them. And there's a little groove inside. I don't know if you can see it. That little groove in here.
Oh, okay.
Can they see it?
Yeah.
Yeah, right there. This ring goes in there and then seals it up.
The more you know.
Yeah, the more you know. And the more tools you need.
Fucked it, dude.
We're gonna have to go back to O'Reilly. Alright, so we got a buddy, and we like to roast him a lot. So these are all the normal pliers set, right? And then here's our friend Josh. Here, we'll show you a picture of how he looks. He's a collectible Pokemon card. Got a bit of cheddar and ET Homeland. Read up those specs. Alright, so first we're gonna take out these two bolts right here, or tapping screws. They are T20 Torx. There's only two. And this engine's hot. Probably isn't the best way to do it either.
Oh boy. So when is the aftermarket intake coming?
Not anytime soon. Maybe next year. Or maybe in a couple months actually. Yes, I'm not using the right tool for the right job.
If it fits, it fits,
Yeah. If it goes in,
it looks like a little shopping bag.
Here's your purse, Angel.
Oh, thank you.
And it looks like it just pops off, hopefully. Well, actually, gotta take this picture off. Oh, my fingernail. Should be loosened up. Alright, so I figured it out. There's a 10 in the back, and this firewall's so freaking dang hot. Alright, so it didn't take us that long to actually pull it off. Apparently there's one screw here that we got to take off or loosen up, and then another one right back here. But since it's a box, the air box is an actual box, it was a pain in the butt because you had to get it from like over here, this angle, and then you're hitting the firewall and this shock tower brace. And it's very hot at the moment because we just finished driving to O'Reilly 2 times while getting a check engine light also. So now what I'm going to do is basically take off these diverter valves, hoses, I guess that's what they are. And then after we take this off, we're going to take this bracket off, and then the map sensor, or the sensor right here, then this clip comes off. And then this little 7 mil screw comes off also. And then I think we'll be good to install it.
Then we got
mats. Alright, in order to take these diverter valve hoses, you basically see how there's like a the coolant hose. See how there's this nipple right here and then it's like empty? You basically turn it a couple degrees. I think.
oh boy. Hot as tits.
There you go. So you just basically turn that dial over here. As you can see, it was over there. Now it's over here, and then you pull it off. With the rest the same. Now what's gonna go next is this bolt's gonna get loosened up. And this bolt's gonna get taken off, and then oh my god, that was hot. And then this clip is gonna get taken off or taken out, and probably this sensor is gonna come out instead of getting unplugged because I don't know how it clips or unclips. One little chode out. Well, just leave it loose. You don't have to take it off. And then we're gonna go after this clip with a pick. So you just basically pull on this. That's it. We almost forgot the map sensor.
Oh, what?
We almost forgot the map sensor.
I was recording something way more important and way more beautiful. No, that's the reason I'm taking it off.
T20. Okay, the map sensor is a T20. All right, now it's time to undo this. All right, now this, we leave it We'll leave it somewhere over here. So now we just basically pull this guy out. So basically pop that off. Now you pop this off.
There we go.
And then you're all set. Oh shit. So here's the long chode. Alright, so we finally got this little coupler in onto the charge pipe. Now we got to get the O-ring seal out of the old one and install it onto the new one, basically. And then we should be pretty much good and set to install it. I dropped the tool. It fell into the abyss.
It's never coming back. It's part of your car now.
Fuck it.
One of us. One of us.
Alright, so basically my tool fell to the bottom of the abyss. And now I'm just not even gonna bother. Oh shit.
Abyss number 2?
Abyss number 2. Why is this so hard? Bro, I'm struggling like no other right now.
Alright, we'll get back to when it's actually put on.
Yeah.
Dude, this is like a puzzle. Yeah, I don't want to scratch it. So how far have we gone?
So we got the charge pipe in there. It was a pain in the ass. If you guys are doing this, you guys might as well just like remove these 2 bolts, take them out, or take out the bolts, and then move this off to the side and get as much as play as possible, because this charge pipe obviously is aluminum, and yeah, it's not gonna go anywhere. It's not gonna bend. It's not gonna be. It's gonna be your worst enemy at this point as you're putting it in. It's gonna make you feel like a virgin again. We took literally half an hour just to put it in.
Yep.
And then, not to mention, the coupler was too far back, and then we had to push it forward, and it was too tight on here. And then this thing was a pain in the ass too. Everything, this whole little bullshit was really, it was a pain in the ass.
Now all you need
is to put everything back together, and then finally set the blow-off valve on the top, and then we'd be done. All right, so now that we have the charge pipe installed, we're gonna install the new vacuum hose that's gonna go onto the top of the blow-off valve, just as you see here. As soon as it sits right there, it's gonna go like that, and it's gonna make, yeah.
I'm just the guy for the turbo noises.
I know, that's why I brought you. Low key.
Low key, you're like, you can go and that's right, dude.
That's the only reason why I brought you.
Oh.
Alright, so we are finally done. Jesus, that took actually quite a long time, mainly because we didn't have the tools that we needed in order to do the whole install.
Get the correct tools, guys.
But now we're gonna finally turn it on and see how it sounds.
Let's get it. Boy, that shit was mad fucking lit. Ooh. Oh yeah, dude, flex on some peasant.
Oh, he's got an exhaust, huh? He's got a fancy. He's fancy.
Oh, he's fancy. Oh, he actually paid for that exhaust, unlike me. Get him to rev at you. That's the goal.
Alright, that's the goal?
That's the goal. Get him to rev at you.
Alright, right here. No?
No?
Hey! That's the boy.
Do it for the boy, dude. Do it for the boy. He was hyped. He was hyped. He was hyped. He was hyped. He was hyped.
Alright, guys. So that's going to be it for today on Baloney TV. Drop a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and comment down below if you guys enjoyed the video or found it helpful. I'm going to be doing a lot more videos like this with a whole bunch of aftermarket installs on my 335 E92. And hope you guys enjoy the video.